We are back with Ms. Lopez and Anna to help us with spring scales.
Right. Today we're going to use this object. It's a spring scale. And on one side you'll see that we measure grams and newtons, but for our class we're going to be measuring force, and force is always measured in newtons. So you will be looking to the right side for your measurements. So I'm going to go ahead and let you know this is what you hook to your object, this is what you hold so that it is freestanding, and then we measure it by looking down. So I'm going to have Anna go ahead and do our paper towels for us. And when we lift this up,
Can you
you
lift
can
from
see,
behind, sweetie? Lift from behind. There you go.
you can see that it falls right here at 1.5. So it's halfway between 1 and 2. So we would say that's 1.5 newtons. And when you write this down, remember you're going to put an N, but it's got to be a capital N every time you write your answer down. So it'd be 1.5 capital N, which means newtons. So why don't you go ahead and estimate how much you think these headphones are going to weigh, and write your answer down while we're getting it hooked up and ready to show you. Good job, Anna. You're doing a great job, sweetheart. And with this one here, you can see that we're right in between 2 and 3. So we would have 2.5 newtons, or 2.5 with a capital N to show the force. Go ahead and write down your estimate on what you think this bucket of pennies is going to weigh. There's quite a few in there. And what you think the force is going to be with our spring scale. And you can see here that it's all the way down to 9.5, it looks like still, even though I try to take some pennies out, but it'd be 9.5 newtons, or 9.5 capital N. All right. And one last object, go ahead and write down your estimate on how much you think this bag of beans is going to weigh while Anna gets us hooked up here. And our answer is going to be, looks like 3.5, so it's in between 3 and 4, so it'd be 3.5 newtons, our capital N.